Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today I got a quick unboxing, a mail call. Things have been really hectic. I apologize for the inconsistencies in my channel as of lately, and I'm planning to do an update video to explain just kind of what's been going on. I mean, I know it's not easy for anyone at all, but you know, I'm more than happy to share kind of what's been happening recently and give you a channel update anyway, so hopefully I can get that out in the next week. But today I did get a package, and it's a Blade HQ, no, Knife Center package, I believe. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna open it up with this. This is the Fox Knives Baby Core. I think it's based off the Vox Core by Fox Knives. Super cool, pocket friendly. Digging it. So I apologize if this isn't in frame. I'm kind of running and gunning with this setup today. I think this goes in here. I don't even really know. Too much tape. Alright, let's... oh, there we go. Alright. Remember, kids, always shut your knives. Be safe. Don't play with knives. Okay. There we go. Okay. Get that out. I'm just going to pull. Get this out and this out. Yep, 3 items. Let's see what we got. First up is a Griffin pocket tool. So I know there's a lot of hype around the Griffin pocket tool. There's a lot of hardcore fanboys for them. Figured it is about time for me to get one and check one out. First impressions? I don't know. It's a pocket tool. Excited to see how this puppy works. It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a little bit heavy. And this is the Griffin Mini. So I did get the mini size. Not sure what type of reviews out there, but like I said, very popular EDC item. And hopefully I will do a review on it and I'll let you know what I think. But first impressions, it looks pretty cool. Sweet. Next up, let's go to this one. We got a Kaiser Vanguard, Passion Ride Pride Performance, Literature, and kaboom. I don't even remember what model this is. The Couve 241, whatever. Oh, maybe it'll say it on the blade. All I know is it was new. It was in the new arrivals for Blade HQ. It's another compact little flipper. Ooh, nice. Kind of has that sheep's foot blade there, and yeah, looking sharp. Lieb Azo. So I don't know. I'll N690 blade steel. So if I can remember it, I'll annotate it down below if I post this. But nice and snappy little flip there. Shadow box design, G10 handle scales. Dig it, like it. Usually pretty happy with whatchamacallit, with Kaiser knives. I really do like their stuff. And now an OKC, Ontario Knife Company from Ontario, New York. I have not had one of their knives in a long time. I don't even know if I reviewed the Rat or not, but here we go. And for a while, I was really... Ontario Knife Company products manufactured in the United States of America are backed by a limited time. I wanted to get the K-bar rendition of the Kephart knife. As you can see, leather sheath, which is actually a lot better quality than I initially thought. Very simple, but it is a fixed blade. Ooh, that's a lot heftier than I thought. But here it is. It's the Ontario Knife Company Old Hickory. I believe they called this like the fisherman or hunter or something. Once again, I'll annotate it down below. Yeah, old hickory fish and small game. But if you look at the blade style, and if you know anything about traditional fixed blade knives, it's more or less their take on the Kephart knife design. So yeah, feels pretty good. Ooh, nice sharp spine too. Yeah, so this is a bushcraft traditionalist style woodsman knife, and it has that Kephart drop point design. So hopefully I can get this out in the woods and carry it and do some bushcrafty stuff with it. So yeah, I'll leave links in the description below to these items. Tuck it in there. Oh, there we go. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Old-timey classic. Cool. So yeah, we got that. We got the Kaiser little dude here, and then the Griffin pocket tool. So yeah, I'll leave links in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Look forward to an update video coming shortly. I hope everyone's doing all right. You know, stay positive, keep trucking, don't let things get you down, and I'll see you outside. Peace.